Hello, so today video is going to be a hairstyle tutorial because I recently got this champion cap in this pastel pink color which I really like, and I am quite obsessed with baseball caps at the moment. So in this video I want to show you some easy and effortless hairstyles for baseball caps which can be perfect for summertime or any season. I really love easy and messy hairstyles, so if you also, then keep on watching, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. So first I need to brush my hair and put my cap on, and for these hairstyles you don't have to take off your cap. So normally this is how I wear my caps, but now I will show you the first one, which is going to be a low bun hairstyle. It's very easy and simple. So I just grab my hair and twist it around and secure it with the hair tie, and that's it. As you can see, I got a huge messy bun because I have a long hair, but you can make the bun smaller if you want. It depends how you twist your hair. So I just used some bobby pin also. So that's it. This is a very easy and quick effortless hairstyle for every day. It looks very fresh and cute. And for the next one I finally find two brown colored hair tie, and now I will braiding my hair for both sides, but it also look good if this is just a one side braid. And I left some hair for the front, but you can do it without. You can see I have a very long hair, so braiding my hair is quite boring to me and it takes some time, but anyways, this is one of my favorite hairstyles for baseball caps. It's just really easy to do. So the next one is also going to be a braid hairstyle, which is very easy, but the result looks really nice. You can do two braids or one. I did one side with this. So I divided my hair to half, and for this technique you will need two hair tie. And as you can see, this is how you can create this braid. It's kind of hard to explain, but I hope you can see it. And after you can leave it how it is, or you can pull off some hair from the braid to make it more fluffier. This is just a simple braid, but with a little bit of twist without too much effort. So the fourth one is going to be a very popular half up bun. You just need to grab some hair from the front section, and basically I did the same technique as with the first one, but you can create this bun with lots of different techniques, but this is a very easy one. I really like if it looks big and messy, and you don't really need to be perfect with it. So that's it. This one is also looks very effortless and nice. So the next one is going to be a low side space bun. For this you will need of course some hair tie and bobby pin. So I just divided my hair for 2 sections, and then I just start to twist up my hair until when it's become like a snail shaped bun. And then I grab my hair tie around and pin it with the bobby pin. It's quite hard to pin it down if you have lots of hair. And after you can pull off some hair from the bun to make it messier if you want. This hairstyle is not the easiest one, but it looks very cute. So the next one is going to be a very simple ponytail through the baseball cap. So I just took some hair from the ponytail and then twisted around the hair tie and pin it through with the bobby pin. And that's it. A very basic one, but it looks really nice. So for the last one, it's going to be a middle bun through the baseball cap hole. And then tease my hair lightly to give some volume. And grab my hair and just twist it around the ponytail to create a bun shape. I took another hair tie around and secured it with the bobby pin. And I really wanted the bun stay high as possible, so I just took some bobby pin and I put them in the little hole on the baseball cap and secure it with my hair. Only downside with this is that you cannot take off your cap after, and I also wanted the hair bun to look very big and messy. I use this Batiste extra volume dry shampoo hairspray to give some extra texture to my bun. And also you can loosen it up a little bit. So that's it. This is how it looks like. I really like this hairstyle. So I hope you got some ideas for how you can style your baseball caps. And yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions then just let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.